unsure and you're looking for your street lights, count to 10 before you decide.
Okay.
Because after having counted to 10, you will without a doubt have come across another sign at least once.
Yeah.
So never just think street lights 30. Think street lights, count to 10 whilst you're driving. You should come across the sign. If you don't, then it is 30.
Yeah.
By all means, speed up. If it's not, you will get a small repeater sign. It's better to be safe than sorry. Yeah, because you were about 5 miles an hour and you were going even faster. You were going for gold. You saw these cars driving away from you. Again, that's another reason why it could lead you to believe, oh, it must be 30, they're off. Again, what's the best way to ensure we keep at 20? What gear was the best gear? Second. So you can pop it in second now, just feel the difference. There you go, it's so much lighter and
happier.
likely to just stay at the speed. We're going to take the next road on the left here. And if you're lucky enough, you won't need to change down now.